Verano looks like a great opportunity for growth stock investors. The stock has sold off sharply down here to around 7.5. It was as high as 20 a couple years ago. The issue is that the optimism that U.S. federal legislation would legalize cannabis for recreational use, legalize the handling of finances for cannabis companies, would get through Congress. That was very optimistic a little over a year ago, and the stocks of the whole group spiked. Since then, the stocks in general are down 50 to 70%. Some of them are down even more than that. So a massive sell-off as that legislation did not take place. The Democrats are still working to get this through. There is bipartisan support. The disagreement seems to be more on the magnitude of the legalization as opposed to whether it should be done. I do think there will probably be a compromise sometime this year, and that we'll see some sort of federal legalization, and these stocks should be re-rated. Verano is our favorite in the sector at the moment. The stock is the most profitable. The company is very profitable, has a very low PE right now, right around 11 PE. We think the stock could easily go back into the 15 to 20 neighborhood over the next couple of years as profitability continues to grow, earnings grow, and we get some relief as far as the legalization on a federal level. So this is a very good opportunity, good price. We do think that this company, along with Trulieve, are the two best vehicles given their profitability levels are far above the rest of the industry. We are also an owner of Curaleaf, which we will probably be trading out of and keeping Verano and Trulieve as our core positions. But right now we still own Curaleaf, and we'll let you know if we end up exiting that position in its entirety. We would hope that with passage of some bills through Congress with the legalization process of cannabis on a U.S. level, that you would see some relief rally in those stocks, and we would use that opportunity to trim back on our Curaleaf. So bottom line is, we think Verano is one of the better areas, very attractive today. Even though we are a little nervous about the market in general still, we do think that this stock has been beaten up to such a level that it's compelling. We have taken a half-size position in the stock currently. The earnings for the first quarter come out next week, and at that time we will determine whether to take a full-size position in our growth stock portfolio. We hope you find this information helpful. If you would like to know exactly when we're buying something, please sign up on our website for our email alerts. We put out an alert on Verano last week, and at a price of around $7 a share, and then unfortunately on Friday it did trade up a little bit to $7.40. So if you want to get the news faster, please sign up for our email alerts at buildingbenjamins.com. We also have a full disclaimer where we explain this is not investment advice. This is talking about things that I'm buying for my own portfolio. From an educational standpoint, you should evaluate whether the risks and rewards merit fitting into your own portfolio. Please have a great day, and thank you for your time.